Hey, what's up guys? My name's Cody and today I'm gonna start doing daily vlogs because I was inspired. So yeah, let's get this started. I'm getting a GoPro soon, so that's gonna help, and my girlfriend will be in these, and there's my mom over there doing work, and yeah, let's get started. So I'm starting the morning off with some bacon, turkey bacon, because I eat really bad, so I feel like somewhere in my brain, eating turkey bacon makes me not as bad, but it doesn't. Katie, say hi.
No continues to receive rave
I think she disappeared.
Plus, it's become a worldwide sensation with
I finished my bacon and my pancake, which turned out to be way smaller than what I meant to make, but that's okay. Katie, stand up.
remove and crystallize the hair for long-lasting results. Want proof? On the left, you see a patch of hair before
You're a giant sheep.
the same hair after being
hello there.
for 6 weeks.
Alright. Mmm.
No? You like it?
You guys should try turkey bacon. It's good.
Jimmy, what does that mean?
Jimmy's it's like roller coaster, cheaper.
So today I basically have two things that I know I want to do. First, it's Tuesday, and every Tuesday on one of my other channels I put out a creepypasta reading. So I need to edit that together, and then I know I have a parkour session sometime today with a couple guys. I'm not sure exactly when yet. And I gotta change my radiator. I do a radiator flush, but that's later. So I'm gonna do the creepypasta now. This is what I use. I got a Yeti, blue Yeti that I use to record with, so yep, it's editing time. Woo! This is pretty much my life right here on this program, and a little on After Effects. Rendering! I love editing creepypastas because they're so easy. And uploading. That's that. Groundkeeper Shed creepypasta. And another day down. It's only 11:11. It's time to make a wish. Oh crap. Crap, I missed it. I think it's 11:12 now. No! So we still haven't thrown out our pumpkins. Look at these things. Mine's not that bad, but look at this one, is nasty. These two are my brothers and his girlfriends. They carved those a little before me and my girlfriend. They look nasty down there. It's supposed to be Jack Skellington. Mine's not as bad. We should probably get rid of them since Halloween was like 4 or 5 days ago or something, but whatever. I'm just headed out to get gas because I know I don't have any. Just so you know, I was not playing. The car is on, and that's my gas. So yeah, I definitely need to get some more before work. Woo! It's not full, but it's a lot better. Thank you, gas machine. So Katie got an Instagram today, right?
Yeah.
Why'd you do it?
Peer pressure, man.
Peer pressure. So she's trying to figure out how to post photos and stuff.
I'm stupid.
Well, she's not stupid, but
I'm stupid.
follow her on Instagram. What's your Instagram?
It's kind of hard. Infinity parallax.
It's Infinity Parallax.
I smushed my parkour persona. Well, actually, I am my parkour person. And my gaming and cosplayer persona together.
So Infinity, what?
Parallax.
Infinity Parallax.
I look like that.
That's her. Go follow her. And while you do that, I'm gonna be here playing Pokemans. That's right. Pokemon X and Y.
Want to see my Bidoof face?
Bidoof. Wait, it went black. Hold on. That light's in the way. Okay, redo it.
Bidoof.
She's a Bidoof. Wanna come get the mail with me, Harley? Come on, buddy. Come on, we're gonna go get the mail. Harley likes to go with me when we go get the mail. Come on, this way, buddy. You know which way the mail is. Come on. So, yeah. Harley. I guess he's not coming. I don't really know. I'm just waiting for my dad to get home and we're gonna do this radiator flush, and then I've got that parkour session. You hear all those birds? There's a lot of birds over in that tree. But I scheduled the parkour session for 2, so we'll meet up with Taylor and maybe Wade then. So, dude, look at all that. You see those? Look at all those birds. Jeez, that's a lot of birds. I could hear them. That's how I knew they were there. I didn't even see them at first. Dude, they're all over in that tree too. Wow. We didn't really get much mail, just spam mail. Free take-home whitening. Doubt it! There's a bumblebee and a train. Got my dad down under the car, working on a radiator flush. Alright, we got it up on the ramps, and we couldn't find the little thing we have to find. So we're gonna do it some other way. It's apparently not gonna be very easy, but we'll make it work. And then after this, I got my parkour session. So hopefully this isn't, you know, too much, but we'll see. Just waiting on the car to warm up now. Yep. Did some stuff to it, and now we're just waiting. Session later today. Got Xavier coming now, so. Sounds like it's gonna be a fun time. I don't know how many spots we're gonna hit, but we'll see. Ah! Roundabout! Look at that other car. They have no idea that we're on a roundabout. Oh God. Alright, we're safe. There's Taylor now. We're pulling up, and he's doing something with trash. So we're getting ready to go to a parkour session that I've been talking about all day. Picking up Taylor, meeting Xavier and Wade there. Wade's only training with us for like an hour though, I think, so. Woo! Whoa!
What? Dang it.
What's up?
Nothing.
Parkour time!
Yeah!
Yeah! Taylor's gonna go try and pee. Let's see. Is it unlocked? Is it unlocked? Doubt it. Ha! I'm headed to the park. I literally peed right before I left. I was like, I have no choice. It will not be unlocked. There's Wade up there. Just did some kind of drop.
Hey.
Sup? How do you feel?
Good. Feel
Okay.
like a champ.
Like a champ?
Champ!
What kind of breakfast do you want?
Wheaties!
Yeah! I see Xavier.
Is that counting?
Okay, I don't know. Yeah. Alright, go. Go. Alright, go ahead.
Jump off this thing. I'm gonna just try to get it from here. What?
What?
I'll tell you what.
Nope.
Nope. Second. Nope. Nope. There we go.
Oh my god!
What?
It like goes whoop and like trampolined me off of it.
Yeah, that's why we're.
Look at all those walnuts. Oh, look at them! Look at them!
Did I tell you that?
No.
When we were bowling, he wrote my name. I was like, that's not how you spell my name. My name is spelled P-I-M-P. He goes, oh, okay, and he put it in there. P.
Oh, that's exactly. You me?
Are you gonna go?
I don't know when to go.
Go. Hi, silver away.
Go.
1, 2, 3. Tell my computer I don't own one. It's my dad's. Dang it, I don't want to go to the line. Can I just go down first?
Yeah.
Alright. No. That one actually might be closer. Both.
Go.
Am I a gangster yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Yeah. I got you a lot of. Ah! I stopped recording.
Are you joking?
Okay.
Go.
Karate kick. Land it just right, we'll get the sunset.
So, we're heading to Holiday Park now.
YOLO.
Woo!
Yeoman.
Then turn right on North Post Road.
Xavier, oh my. Xavier rolled the freaking windows down and it's freezing!
We have to take off our shirts.
No! Don't do it!
Don't, Xavier, you're driving.
Xavier, stop.
Discount.
It is freezing balls.
Oh, that's a bad idea. Alright, I'm putting this back on.
How hard are your nipples right now?
Pretty hard. Don't record my nipples. This isn't a porno. Because driving through the grass like a maniac wouldn't.
We're here, Holiday Park.
Dang.
So this is one of my favorite places to go, but it's about to be dark here, so we might get to see a really beautiful sunset. We came here for Parker, but we'll see. Look at the leaves!
Every tree is perfect.
Wow, look at those ruins. If it would ever focus. Focus on the ruins. Okay, it just made him dark. Wow. So we're gonna get on these. Screw the police. Alright, I'm going up there. Halfway there. I made it!
Nope.
Oh yeah. Look at those ruins back there.
I don't know if they're actually ruins. I think they're fake. Those are
I did it! What did you say?
Those are IRL.
I thought you said those are ironwood. I was like, shut up.
This is stone. It's stone. Watch
Why don't you come back?
Am I gonna slide? Are you jumping up?
I will tell you that we've never done it because we were always too scared.
I'm thinking about just jumping and. What? The worst that happens. Cat. I'm not cat, not crap. I'm gonna drop down pansy.
That's okay.
We like it.
I really like.
There was a hill there.
Do the jump. Wow. Oh man. Look at that jump. Let's get it. First person IRL. Oh my god.
Why did you out of my finger? Get off my finger. Get off my finger.
I thought you were playing. I was like, shut up, Taylor. With your playing.
Stood on it for like 5 seconds.
These rocks are intimidating.
Because they're so tall.
Go.
Oh.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Only problem is you're a silhouette.
Good.
That's okay?
I guess.
Oh dang, I'm gonna get some good stills out of this.
Don't.
Don't do something stupid, Xavier. Stop. Go to that one.
Alright. Alright. Camera's got me feeling ballsy.
Oh god. Alright, Taylor. I got a sexy lens flare in there for you. Xavier didn't get the lens flare, but it still looked pretty good.
Do it, man. Do what I did first and just one foot in hands and the other one stop you. Okay, it's recording.
Which way should I jump? Which one would look cooler?
Both. Go. Boom, boom, boom.
Just keep recording.
Oh, I should
Oh. Okay.
It's recording. No ducks given. I look pretty gay. Hashtag Dakota. You got it, Cody. It's smaller than pretty much anything at Oak Landon.
Recording, dude.
Recording?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That roll. I can gate this.
Do it.
Alright.
Are you okay?
Yeah. It's just really, really weird. Because it's such at an angle. This guy right here, his name is Nigga Cody.
Sup?
And this is Jackass.
I'm gonna do something that everyone who does parkour wishes they could do. I'm gonna dive roll out of this. Oh.
It's the sickest dive roll I've ever seen.
Go.
Oh, I don't know if I can do it yet.
Just go.
Oh.
Commit. Commit yourself to the program. 90 days.
Cody, stop talking.
See what 90 days does for you.
Let me try that progression.
You know where we should have taken him that I just realized?
Where?
No, we should next time. Oh.
Thanks for Sally.
Never had it, but. Alright, I'll do it. Think of the children. This is for you, Sasha.
Are you doing to the third?
The far one, go.
Yeah. Well, then I want that.
Keep it rolling. Is it rolling?
Yeah.
Oh, I forget where I stood last.
Bumblebee.
The button did not press.
Yeah, I definitely pressed it. Definitely says recording.
Ready?
Frag it.
I hate you. Did I go to that far one last time?
You went to.
You went all the way. Are you recording all this?
Yeah.
Stop it.
How? Dang it.
It's recording now.
I really hope you got that audio, Cody.
Yeah, I did.
I don't know if I can do that anymore.
Do it
I don't know how I even got over there.
with your legs.
Do what?
That far one.
You didn't do it.
Taylor, you said you did.
No, I didn't. I thought you were talking about.
Glasses.
Do it for Sasha.
No more for Sasha. Megan will smack me. Tell me when.
Go.
Oh.
It's been going for 10 seconds. Nice. You didn't make it.
I did it like 6 times, yelling at you guys to come over here.
Taylor, we don't need to measure everything.
Yeah, we do. For science.
This is the same length as the one we were doing at Oak on the bench.
Science, man.
What?
1, 2. Is that slick?
No. No pansy butts.
Snap, crackle, and pop.
Don't say
Boom,
that.
boom, bang.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Good. Fail.
Go.
1, 2, 3.
There's a good drop over here for you in a minute. Not you.
Okay.
Go?
Yeah.
I got my eye on you. This ain't it.
Noah Fence. It'd be even better if we had someone here named Noah. Noah Fence.
To his face and he goes, what? 1, 2, 3.
Full power, son. Full power.
2, 3.
Oh.
Oh!
Are you alright?
Yeah. Tell me when.
Go.
Dang, this is probably the last time, because that hurt. Dang it.
That was not me.
Oh, right here is beautiful. Can you
Shut
go
up.
from right here?
Shut up, Taylor. This is the last one.
Cody, no, just wait. Don't do it.
Go.
Just come look at it, please. Please.
I'll get that on the 4th one.
No, no more. Cody.
Go.
Okay.
I freaking hate this so much. Oh,
Don't fall on me.
that was close. Alright, you still rolling?
Yeah.
That would have been really
Hobby, bro.
How is it? No.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Not much.
Is it?
Do it
Yeah. Do it.
if I can. I kind of fell. 3 of my friend's cars in the reverse while they drove. I think one of them was you, Cody, actually. I think I accidentally hit yours.
Well, guys, today was a pretty good day and a pretty good first day to start doing these vlogs, I think. I mean, I don't know how much I'll do. I'm going to try and do it every day. I don't know how exciting they're going to be for a while, but I do have some exciting stuff coming up in a couple months, or in like a month, actually. So once that starts, these should be pretty cool. But until then, I don't know. I'll try and find interesting stuff to do each day and to hang out with people and make them interesting. But yeah, Katie's still at school. I got work. I have to be there at 5 a.m. So I'm going to bed soon. So I'm going to maybe try and edit this a little bit and then I'm out. See you guys. Thanks anyone who watched.